it's your boy Jeslie, and I'm back here again with another video.
Now, today I have Mochi ice cream. I'm just going to be doing a mukbang, rambling on, nothing much, but I got this from Walmart. See that? It just looks like dough, which says on the box it's like, okay, Mochi ice cream, premium ice cream wrapped in sweet pillowy dough right here. You guys see that? But yeah. Okay. Bro, I'm so excited because, oh my gosh. So there's like some powder on it. Okay, it's flour. It's not powdered sugar or anything. I thought it was, but let's go. I would just send it. I would just try it. Hold on. All right. First bite thoughts. Now, that was good. I'm not gonna lie, this was good. Oh my god. So if you guys want me to try other flavors, let me know. But oh my gosh, this is so good. And it's only like $5 at Walmart. Well, $4.78 plus tax, so makes it $5. So you might as well buy. But no, this is really good. Now the inside, I'm gonna try the inside. For those who don't know what Mochi ice cream is, it comes in a box like this. So this is what it looks like on the inside. I'm trying not to have like powder around my lip, but okay. The inside is the ice cream, and then the doughy part is really good actually. And the ice cream tastes just like mango, so I'm glad I tried this flavor first, and I'm glad Walmart was able to provide me this, like for real. That is so good. I feel like they should be selling this more. No? So the doughy part, it tastes like dough, of course, but it's a little bit sweet and chewy. But if you hold it on your hands too long, it's kind of sticky. So I see why they have powder on it, but here's another look at it. So the powder on the dough doesn't taste like anything. It's just literally dough. But yeah. Holding it kind of makes your fingers like cold. I think depending on what flavor you have, the dough tastes different. So like for example, if you get green tea, I guess I heard the reviews on it, it was kind of bad. because of the dough. But, but that's so good. But I should be talking, but so caught up in this. But anyways, so basically, for YouTube in general, like, I will try to post more. Do more videos outside of the house, but people have been recommending me to do a mukbang for a while. And the thing is, it's still awkward for me to talk on the camera, but it's actually not anymore. But if that makes sense. No, actually, that did not. I just stuttered. Oh my god. That did not make sense. But I meant to say that at first I wasn't used to it. To talking on the camera, of course. But now, I just put it a little bit. But now, I feel a little bit more comfortable. So, I can do this all day, honestly. But yeah, for videos, I'll try to post more. Videos that doesn't require me being at home. I'm doing decent. It's like, every time I post a video, I get more subs, which is nice. So, welcome to the family if you're new here. But yeah. Now, some people wonder why I do YouTube. I guess I could just talk about it since I don't have anything to talk about right now. Now, I basically do YouTube, like, I want to be someone that helps other people escape, if that makes sense. Yeah, escape and entertain people. Like, I just want to give people positive energy. And then, at the same time, you can have fun watching me, I guess. I'm pretty kind of funny-ish. Yeah. I don't know what else to say. I guess, yeah. That's why I'm on YouTube. And I love watching people. I feel like it's also, I love watching people like Tay and Lou. Who else? There's so many people I watch. It's like I can't remember their names, but Tay and Lou, they're this couple that makes mukbang videos. And like yeah, that's better. But their mukbang videos are really entertaining because she just talks. Well, they just talk. And it's so entertaining. But if you guys want me to do this next time, actually, I'm gonna do this again, but with crab legs and like, I don't know, crab legs, basically a seafood boil, because I've been dying to try out crab legs, just basically seafood. I've never had crab legs, lobster tail, lobster, snow crab, all of that, like crawfish. It's so, I always watch people like eat it. Eat it, on YouTube. And it looks so good. Like, I don't get why they don't have it around here, but I contacted someone nearby. They make seafood. It's actually a store. Um, they're willing to allow me to review their food since it's my first time, so it should be interesting. Well, snap my. Oh, she's getting melted. But I see why people like I see why people hype this up. It's actually really good. Well, the kind I'm trying, it's really good. I want to try next time, if I do this again, probably vanilla bean cookies and cream and double chocolate and then sweet mango again. And if they have more, I guess I'll order them. It looks so good. Ooh. Once it starts melting, like the dough sticks onto it a lot. I'm kind of glad they have dough on this. My fingers are going to be so sticky. But yeah. Now, my plans for the summer, other than just YouTubing, is basically working out, trying to eat healthy, and I understand this is not healthy. But yeah, I'm trying to work out more than what I'm currently doing. Like, I'm already losing just a little bit, but I'm gonna keep going. Thankfully, my friend Allie has been doing it with me, and Rebecca. She's not in the United States of America right now, but yeah, she'll be back, and then I guess she can join us here and there. But yeah, Allie has been helping me a lot with this working out, and if she sees this video, she's probably gonna kill me, but I'm ready to die anyways. No, I'm just playing. That was so deep. I'm just playing, guys. I'm just playing. Please don't, yeah, take me serious. But yeah, so yeah, the plan is just to eat healthy, work out more. I work, and oh my gosh, I forgot. How could I forget about this? My birthday is coming up, and it's gonna be so awesome. We're planning on going somewhere, me and my friends. Most likely I'll record, but I'll try to record what I can. But yeah. Oh my god. So cold in my front tooth cannot handle it. Now,
that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you have a great day or a great night, whatever time you're watching this at. Remember to smile because it looks great on you. Like this. Yeah. But anyways, guys, I am going to be out. Peace.